Hello everyone. So today we will see how to combine two worksheets into a single worksheet. Go to data panel, then choose consolidate, then function as sum, then go to the reference. So from first sheet you choose data, then add it here and delete these things. Okay, then again choose reference, go to second sheet, choose the data, come back again, add it. Okay, afterwards don't forget to click these two things because we need row and left column as it is. Then click OK. Okay, here is the data from datasheet 1 and datasheet 2. Datas are added together in a single sheet. Okay, thank you for watching.